Handling incremental data in Mongo DB. First, let us create the scenario. The incoming data will be stored in collection named post_raw. And the target table post_dim will hold the entire data set. So, let's mock up some data. First, create a new DB name post using use DB name command as shown. Second, create and insert new collections specifically post_dim and post_raw in our case as shown. As you can see from the console log that the records have been inserted. To view the data we use find function on the respective collections as shown. Next, create unique fields constraints which will act as the key fields to perform the lookup as shown. As shown, the index is created on a combination of two fields. This is a compound index. The number 1 attached to the index represents the sorting of the fields. Here 1 represents sort by ascending, and if we had used -1 it indicates descending order.
Now that everything in place, let's perform the upsert operation using the command shown below. Here, ID equals to 0 indicates that we won't update that field. Since ID is a immutable field, we cannot modify its values once created. When matched, it will replace the target data, and in case not matched, it will treat the incoming data as a new insert. And the lookup is done on the key fields creator_ID and post_ID. So, once the merge occurs, it will insert the data into the target collection, which is post_dim. Let's view the data now in the target. As you can see, it has inserted creator 4 and updated creator 1 second post. That's it, pretty simple, isn't it? See more exciting concepts in my upcoming videos. Thank you.